Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to make a long French knot leaf. First take thread like this, 12 strands thread. This is a needle used. Begin from the top portion like this. Take a knot like this. There will be a knot like this in the end. Then start from one side. Do same as like that. Then the other side. And stitch a long knot on the other side like this. Then the opposite side. Do like this one by one, opposite sides, alternatively. This is how we can do long French knot leaves. Complete stitching like one by one towards the bottom area. You can see the visible knots on the side, on each sides of the leaf. Okay, then it's finished. Let's see another leaf also. The same procedure we are doing. Okay friends, if you are not subscribed this channel, subscribe now for more embroidery, hand embroidery tutorials. Thank you.